Welcome back to the Big Deco channel. Today we're testing our creativity with a Dubai bar inspired croissant. Before getting started, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. For today's recipe, we will be using 4 large croissants. Grab your day-old croissants or bake some fresh ones, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these sandwich style. Now it's time to crisp our croissants in the oven for about 5 minutes, and we're going to do so at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Our croissants are now warm and toasty, so it's time to add our filling. We will be filling our croissants with the Dubai bar pistachio filling. This filling is so delicious. It's chopped Filo pastry dough, cooked and browned in butter, and then mixed with pistachio praline or pistachio paste. Now the amount of filling that you're going to use just depends on the size of your croissants and how stuffed you'd like your croissants to be. Next, grab some tempered or melted chocolate and a silicone brush. We're going to use that to brush the top half of our croissants in chocolate. Today we're using Callebaut Milk chocolate chunks, and we'll have that linked for you in the description below. We'll just be doing a single layer, but feel free to continue to layer on that chocolate. Our chocolate has set, and now we're going to drizzle our croissants in some delicious white chocolate. A Dubai bar is not a Dubai bar or croissant without some white chocolate. We're going to top these off with crushed pistachios. And lastly, we're going to add a touch of gold foil.